I'm getting ready to show how to do an embroidery applique for a different video, but I want to show you how we position a design where we want to stitch it. So for example, if I have a design already on my fabric, I want to make sure I have it so I'm not overlapping it or anything. If I know I want to stitch it down in this area, I can mark it with a fabric marker, and I can go ahead and don't worry about positioning it here, just go ahead and go to your next screen. And you can see that our design, and we're going to do what's called a corner to corner check. This little square that's got the 4 little arrows pointing in the corners, when you touch it, it's moving the cursor to the outermost edges of the design just to show you where that's going to actually be. The last touch puts your design back into, or the little crosshair into the center. So what I need to do is pretty much move that design. We're going to go to design positioning, that little flower with the 4 arrows at the bottom, and then I can just bring that all the way down. My needle is the center of the design, so I can go ahead and get that lined up with the mark that I've already made. And yes, I did use a ballpoint pen because this is going to be an applique design and the fabric's going to cover it up. So I wouldn't advise that, but that's why I didn't worry about it. All right, so I'm going to just move this around. A little pop-up message came up because I turned the needle down and then I didn't raise it all the way back up. You can find that you can allow the machine to continue to move if you promise not to leave the needle in the fabric while it's going to move, and you're like, yeah, I can handle that. So here we go. We're going to just tap it down. Here it comes. We're really close, little to the side. I'm going the other direction here, to the left. I'm happy with that result. Now we can use the arrows across the side here to just make sure that we are, number one, not going to step over any other areas we don't want to stitch. And that is how easy it is to find where the center of your design goes, and also how to check and make sure it's like the last thing you should do before you embroider. And then I can go ahead and touch OK. My design's right where I need it to be, and I'm ready to start my applique. We're using design number 35 in the book here. So if you want to see it or follow along, we'll be coming over to, it's kind of fun. I love this little flower. It's a quick stitch. If you've never done an applique design, try this one here. Now you're going to notice that there's little places where you're going to do a placement, and then you're going to cut the fabric away and then finish with your designs. These little symbols right here at the bottom of the design, those are universal symbols you'll find in the front of the book to indicate what type of specialty design that you are working with.